Home Minister Rajnath Singh is on a two-day visit to Agartala in Tripura, where state assembly elections will be held on 17 February. The crowd that you see is swelling here on the streets as he is conducting various road rallies. These road rallies are being addressed to the people of Tripura in Agartala also. And the street and the crowd and the sloganeering that you hear is of course a reflection on what the crowd is and the number of people that are here on the streets of Tripura. But then what adds to it is not just the crowd, the fact that there has been a huge response to the rally of the Home Minister. Streets are flooded with people, flooded with supporters, sloganeering happening, and the kind of crowd that you see here with, of course, most of them wearing t-shirts of the party color, and giving you an idea on the crowd and the turnout that is here on the streets of Agartala. The entire two-day rally that he will be conducting here will be, of course, compiled with several meetings with political leaders, being addressed to issues. He has been reiterating the fact that you have seen left sarkar kai baar, BJP ko dekho ek baar. That's the slogan that the party is sticking to. There have not just been the sloganeering that has been happening here. The fact that their party has also ensured that the number of people that you see here on the streets has a response from various parts of the state, and the kind of crowd that you see here has the number of people and the crowd that you see here on the streets of Tripura will give you an idea of the support that BJP is enjoying in various parts of the state. There have been several top-notch leaders, and even on the stage and of course the rallies that are being conducted, you see a lot of senior leaders, including the state chief, Biplab Deb, Sudeep Burman, and other leaders who have been a crucial part of the party in past few days in trying to make a mark and of course some pitch for the party in the state. The crowd, of course, has been swelling up. The number of vehicles on the street has been swelling up, and will give you an idea of the support that the party is enjoying at present. But the crucial elections will, of course, see on whether the party will be able to make a dent in the left bastion at all. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwal in Agartala for India Today.